Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, everybody. Very warm welcome to our World Happy Days. It's for the kids, for teachers, and for parents. On top of it, it is for everybody who wants to learn. So, here we start with the lesson of the day. So, creative writing we are doing, as you remember, that the last video was about the essay or creative writing, likewise, and the month in Pakistan is going of independence. So I am picking intentionally on such topics which are helpful for the kids who are young learners and have subscribed the channel at their own, and also for the parents and the teachers who are looking for some selective words and small short essays for the kids to go on. So here I go with it. As I discussed with you always, that the map is very important. Map is actually the specific words which are important to use for the creative writing. If you give this small tip to the kids and they find out the nice words, or even if you give, or either you can ask them to go to think about the words which are related to the topic, it's going to enhance their vocab automatically. So what we did over here, that I have given you few collection of the words which have been used in this creative writing. So here it is, few words which are there, which will be used and are for sure important to enhance the vocab of the students, the little kids whom you are working. National flag of Pakistan. Let me read this creative writing for you. It is going to help you, and if you are a student yourself, you can learn from here. If you are a teacher, you can use the whole essay. It's for you, or otherwise, if you want to use some of it as an idea. National flag of Pakistan was designed by founder of Pakistan, Mr. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The flag itself is dark green in color with a white bar, a white crescent in center, and a five-pointed star. Each color and symbol used in the flag has its own specific importance. The white bar and the dark green field are symbol for minorities and Muslim majorities. The crescent on the flag is representative of progress, and the five-rayed star signifies light and knowledge. However, there is also a controversial belief that the actual designer of the flag was not Hikayat but Amiruddin Kidwai. Some believe that it was neither of them but Master Afzal Hussain, yet it is still unclear as to who was the actual designer. According to the government's webpage, the designer was Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Pakistan's national flag is flown on the offices and official residences of VIPs, very important personalities, and government's top officials when they are home. The size of the flag is different for use in different places or on different occasions. The sizes of flags for ceremonial occasions, for use over buildings, for cars, and for tables all are different from each other. There are many occasions on which the Pakistani flag is traditionally hung or flown. These occasions are Pakistan Day on 23rd of March, Independence Day 14th August, Quaid-e-Azam's birthday on the 25th of December, and other various days specified by the government from time to National flag of Pakistan, we continue writing about it. There are also specific days on which the flag is at half mast. These specific days include the death anniversary of Allama Iqbal on 21st of April, likewise the death anniversary of Quaid-e-Azam on 11th September, and the death anniversary of Liaquat Ali Khan on 16th of October, and other specific days identified by the government. The Pakistan flag is also flown on the official residences of certain VIPs when they are at home. These VIPs include President of Pakistan and Prime Minister. The flag is flown alongside their personal standard, and the chairman of the Senate and Speaker of the National Assembly of Pakistan, the provisional governors and the federal ministers and other dignitaries titled to the privilege of the ministries of government of Pakistan. Chief Ministers and Ministers of Provinces, Chief Election Commissioner, Chief Minister, Deputy Chairman of Senate, Speakers of the Provisional Assemblies, the diplomatic representatives of Pakistan in foreign countries, and the commissioners of divisions, deputy commissioners, and political agents. They all include whereby the flag is hung on outside their home, outside their house, or on their tables. They are a small little flag. There are also specific people who are entitled to fly the national flag on their motor vehicles, vessels, and airplanes at times when the dignitaries are seated inside. These dignitaries include President of Pakistan, Prime Minister of Pakistan, Chairman of Senate of Pakistan, Speaker of National Assembly, Chief Justice of Pakistan, Provisional Governors, and the Chief Ministers of provinces up to the Chief Justice of High Courts. In fact, the President and Prime Minister may fly two flags, which include his personal flag along with the national flag. Hence, it could be concluded that the flag of Pakistan has a lot of significance and authority. It is representative of many national and patriotic aspects of the country. So here we complete our write-up about the national flag of Pakistan. I would suggest that you can do as much as you want your kids to write so that they are clear about it and they know the history at least. So Pakistan Zindabad, a very happy Independence Day of Pakistan, which is at the corner. So thanks for watching everybody our channel, and please do not forget to like, comment and share and subscribe to our channel at the YouTube. Please like, share and subscribe. I am thankful to everybody who is there with us. So take very good care of yourself. See you in the next video very soon. Allah Hafiz.